welcome back to the Aquarius K Way. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe if you like videos that are based on home decor, home organization, and let's not forget lifestyle tips. Then we welcome you and we want you to join our family. I upload new videos every Sunday, and let's go ahead and get into the reason why you are here. I'm going to go by the store in which I purchased each item first, and I think that'll help us keep it organized along the way. So the first store that I'm going to do is Burlington Coat Factory. You guys, I love Burlington Coat Factory. There are so many great deals that you can find. I would start there. If not there, then Ross. If you love inexpensive home decor, especially seasonal, right? So your first item is this really beautiful candle holder. I think it'll look good as a centerpiece on a table. I haven't decided where I'm going to put things. I just buy stuff and then I go from there. If I don't like it, I can always take it back, but all these pieces are going to just, bring my home to the spring season, spruce it up a little bit. So you can go with any nice floral arrangement. They also had some that were eggs, but since I'm doing an egg theme kind of outside, I didn't want to overdo it in the inside of the house. So I'm going to buy a candle to go in the inside, and it's going to go on either my dining room table or my coffee table downstairs in the main living area. Also, this is $20. Yes, I said it, honeys, from Burlington Coat Factory. Oh, I have it wrong. I like to be wrong, so I'm wrong. This was $16.99. $16.99. Like, you just can't beat that. So, of course, you guys know that I love all things bling. This bunny really stood out to me because he is just blinged out, honey. Yes, Mr. Bunny. And you can also put a light in the inside if you wanted to. He opens up at the bottom. And he was $19.99. I got it right this time. And this was also from Burlington Coat Factory. Some great ideas where this can go in your home would be your entryway. This will look really good in an entryway. This would also look good on a end of the coffee table, end tables, in your room. Like, you could do so much with this piece. And you just really can't beat the price for $20 because I've seen some online that go all the way up to $60. So, hey, real cute. And he going downstairs in my living room somewhere, y'all. Don't know where yet, but I can't wait. Just stay tuned because you'll get to see where I put him. So the next item is this really pretty pink. It's not pink. It's more of a peach, I would say. Gold centerpiece that can go in the middle of your table. It's actually a bowl. You can stick items in the inside of it. It's really deep, and I have some really cool ideas since it is Easter theme. Again, you guys, I'm not sure where it's gonna go, but I just love the way that it looked and figured that I can play with it downstairs because all majority of the stuff that I bought is really for my downstairs, just to get it ready for spring. But I purchased this again at Burlington Coat Factory, and it's $16.99. It's really cute. The top of it is glass, but the bottom is not. The bottom is very almost kind of plasticky. Yeah, it's definitely kind of plasticky. So, and this goes with some candle holders that I also purchased. It matched to the T, and this is from the Catherine. What is her name? The Catherine Malandrino. I might be saying it wrong. Malandrino. This is from the exact same collection, and it matched perfect with the bowl. And this is the candle holder, and this is going to be really cute at night. I would recommend, if you purchase this, a great place would be on your mantle or on your dining room table when you're doing a plate setting for Easter. Easter's coming up. If you're doing a big dinner, this will look great on your table. And this was $14.99. I purchased 2 of them. I like things in pairs. I like to decorate in either 1 item by itself, 3 items, 5, Sometimes I like 2, but it just depends. That's a whole nother video. Here I am just going off on a tangent. On to the next item. Your next item is this really pretty floral arrangement for $7.99. And for $8, you guys, I bought 3. Again, I don't know where they're going to go, but I purchased 3 of them. Some good ideas of where this could go is in your bedroom, in your restroom, on the counter. Like, this is the easiest and more affordable way to give life to your home. Even though it's not a real flower or floral arrangement, it's definitely a great addition to any home. So I really think these are cute. I bought 3. Yay me. And I promise you guys that I'm going to be using these. They will not go back to the store. And the price, just the price alone is phenomenal. Like I said, try out Burlington Coat Factory first. So your next item is this really, really pretty, girly bunny rabbit. I went bunny crazy. Like, that's the only thing that Easter stands for. Like, what was I thinking? But it's so cute, right? I know. So anyway, they had another one. They had it in pearl. They had it in pinkish looking pearl. They also had it in this really pretty teal color. And they were $7 a piece. They had something that didn't have the opening in the middle, but I wanted the opening in the middle because I believe I want to put some of those Easter eggs that you can actually open that are multicolored in the inside of them. I really think that will be so pretty, so cute, and just give you a hint of, yes, this is spring, but this is also Easter. I love Easter, you know. And my kids are going to love it. Hopefully they don't go and try to eat the candy out of it prematurely. I may not put this up till it's closer to Easter. Yeah, I have kids, so that might be a good idea. So you guys, the next store that we're moving on to is the home goods store. Another one of my must go to every week to see what they got and spend all my little paycheck there. Okay, so this is going to take it up a notch to let you know that I am definitely decorating for Easter. This is a nice sign that's going to go on my fireplace, on the mantle. Yes, this is perfect. I was looking for something. I didn't want white because, you know, guys know my mantle is already white, so there was kind of no need to add white on white. Also, it's kind of gold, but it also gives off this whole metallic kind of look to it. I know you guys can tell, especially in the middle, this middle piece. So it definitely goes with my furniture. When I'm shopping, I like to keep that in mind, that what will go with my furniture, what colors will look great, what color will make it pop. So keep that in mind. That's a great way to see how things flow, and it'll turn out just, you will love it more. All right, next, guys, you know I live for Garland. I am probably gonna have a bin to keep all my Garland in because I've bought so much. I use Garland in different ways. I use Garland on my mantle on my fireplace. Garland can also be used on your staircase. If you wanted to do a spring, it's a little extra and over the top, but it can be done. Garland can go around the entryway of your front door. I purchased this Garland at the home goods store for $12.99. I bought 2 of them because I like a thick looking Garland. And I believe this is 6 foot. Let's see. Does it say? Maybe it's taller than me. Yay, it's 6 foot Garland. So you can tie it together to another one and it would look fab over the top of your entryway to your home, or on the opposite end if you live in an apartment, when you come in and you wanted to decorate the door. Like, I live for some good Garland, girls, honey. Yes. I found a few items. How cute is this bunny? Y'all, I'm going crazy with bunnies. Buddies. Ugh. I'm addicted. Anyway, this bunny was $14.99, and I love her little headpiece because it's pink and it actually matched the Garland. I am more than likely going to put this at the bottom of the fireplace. Don't hold me to that, because you know y'all would trip out on me and be like, you said you was gonna put that at the bottom of the fireplace, but I saw her off to the side, you know, on the end table. Don't hold me to that. I think that would be a great place for her to go, but when you're in decorate mode, stuff will end up in places that you didn't even think about putting it there, honey. But I bought two, and I don't know. I hope that by me buying all this stuff, that one day I can just give it to my children. I know it's not like an antique or anything, but I think she's kind of cute. Okay. So $14.99, I purchased two of them from the home goods store. So next, this is a heavy bunny. This bunny carries the egg and everything, and the egg is glittery. How glittery is the egg? Okay, I like glitter. And this bunny was actually $34.99. This was not a cheap bunny, okay? But my whole thing is, I think that this bunny would look fabulous outside on the doorstep. And I think that it can weather a storm or two. That sounds crazy, but I think it can. So that's what I'm gonna do with it. I think the other one is either inside or outside, but it's white, so I don't want to mess around with that. But it's pretty solid and heavy. It's really well made. So I was very excited when I saw him. I was like, or her. She's kind of pink, but I'm gonna say her. I just was like, this has to come home with me. It's so cute. And I know other things represent Easter, but my house is just gonna have bunnies. Okay, so the next store is Kirkland's. I went to Kirkland's, and I love Kirkland's because they are pretty affordable. And I get coupons in my email all the time from Kirkland's. So when I see a 25% off coupon, I run and I wallow in it because, honey, they have the most amazing stuff. So, I can't see. This is the Wreath. I like it. It is so cute, and I love the eggs. I was trying to look for maybe some individual ones that match this because I have another centerpiece that I kind of want to put on the front porch. So I think that would go together very well. I also bought a floor mat that has bunnies on it that has the same color scheme. And I want to say that this was $24.99. I will link any of the items that I'm able to in the description bar, so definitely look out for that. But yes, I absolutely love this wreath. All right, we're still on Kirkland's. And honey, I bought this really something other than a bunny. Just saying. Easter egg. Look at it. Okay, I was so excited. I don't know why I'm so excited, y'all. I like to just decorate. Like, decorating makes me so excited. Anyway, the coolest thing about this is that, you know, I'm down for something that lights up, y'all. Y'all can't see it, but the light just turned on the inside of it. Yeah. It's a light in the inside, and it look really good on a coffee table. So it was $12.99, and I bought 3, and they're all different. I purchased 3 of them, and they are all different colors. The smaller eggs were $7.99. So you get the color scheme that I'm going for, and I have a pink one as well, and they all light up. I mean, they're so cute. Oh, I just love holidays. So all 3, the biggest one was $13, and the 2 smaller ones were $7.99. And I think they had a 25 or 20% off everything in the store. So you guys, I got a great deal on these, and I can use them every single year. So you guys, your last item is it's a tree. Can't get it all on camera, but let's see. It is this really cute white tree. I like this because of the glitter eggs. You guys know that downstairs has, you know, a touch of glamour or a touch of glam to it. So when I saw these, I thought this would go perfect, as well as The branches have little lights at the end of the branches. Now it looks crazy and all skinny, but you can pull them apart like, you know, like a Christmas tree and make it all wide and stuff, because it look kind of scary and like it needs to be watered. Okay, it has glitter all over it, so it can get all over the place. I don't know where I'm gonna put it yet, but trust me, if you keep watching, you will see where this item will go in my home. So let's go to the price. I didn't tell you guys how much this costs. It's $30 and I bought 2 of them. I'm kind of getting fireplace vibes. Fireplace vibes. I like that. I'm getting fireplace vibes for this. It's gonna be cute. You see how I was trying to match the bunnies and stuff to, when you shop, you kind of gotta go with what you see that look like it may go together, and it doesn't always have to match perfectly. If the same colors, you know, work well in the same room, then get it. So guys, we've come to the end of the video. So with that being said, I want to thank each and every one of you for subscribing to my channel and supporting me. I really appreciate it. I hope that you guys are enjoying all of the videos that I'm uploading for you. And let me know in the comment section below, are you going to decorate your home for Easter, or are you going to decorate your home for spring? And you know, what's going to be your color scheme? No, talk to me, because I always comment back to you guys. I love you guys, and I cannot wait to see you in another video. Bye.